Dennis from No1 Studios here. Today, we'll be showing you how you can set up simple controls via Unity's old input system. We have a new scene set up, and we've gone ahead and added both an empty game object as well as attached a script we named basic. We're gonna go ahead and add this chunk of code into the basic script's update function. The code at line 13 prints the message you pressed fire 1, while the if conditional at line 11 is checking whether the button corresponding to the input fire 1 is pressed. To know which button corresponds to the input fire 1, we'll have to check the Unity Input Manager. To get to the Input Manager, you'll need to go back to the Unity editor, select Edit from the top menu, and then Project Settings. This should open up a window that looks like this. From here, you'll want to find and select the Input Manager on the left side menu. This should cause the right side menu to display all the predefined inputs that you can use, Fire 1 being no exception. You can click the small arrow button next to each input to reveal their details. The most important to this tutorial being the positive and alt positive buttons, which refers to which button activates that specific input. So for our case, pressing the left control or the left mouse button will cause line 11 of our script to activate, which in turn will cause the game to print the debug log message onto the console tab. Take note that you can swap out which input is checked by replacing the string fire 1 with the name of any other valid input. Similarly, you can also change which buttons corresponds to which inputs by editing the positive and alt positive button fields in the Input Manager. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you've had a good time experimenting with the old input system. I'll see you in the live workshops, where we'll be taking these inputs to much greater heights.